Welcome to CrystalMaker 11. In this tutorial, we'll explore the new Grow tool introduced in CrystalMaker 11.5. CrystalMaker lets you extend an existing structure in any direction. We call this the plot range, and you can use the range command to set an explicit range along the structure's crystallographic X, Y, and Z axes. Whilst this is a powerful tool, it isn't always very intuitive, especially once you start rotating your structure. And then it isn't clear which direction is the x-axis, the y-axis, or the z-axis. The new Grow tool is designed to be easier to use. With this tool active, just click and drag to expand or contract the structure in any direction. Let's start by growing the structure. Click and drag from the edge of your structure away from the screen center to grow it outwards. We can drag in any direction to grow. To contract the structure, drag from the edge towards the center. To constrain your growth to a horizontal or vertical axis, hold down the Shift key and then drag. This allows you to expand the structure more precisely. Hold down the Option key to expand symmetrically. To expand about both horizontal and vertical axes, hold down the Command key. So that's the new Grow tool, introduced in CrystalMaker 11.5. It's a quick and easy way to refine your range of atoms without having to worry about where your crystallographic axes are or how many fractions of a unit cell to add. We hope you find it useful.